G'day, Sam here from Coerco. Today we're going to run through the Coerco septic tank range and why it works so well from an install point of view. So in terms of sizes, the range covers from 3,200 litres right through to 31,000 litres. So we cover domestic applications right through to the larger commercial type applications. So one of the biggest advantages of these tanks is its design and its weight. They are lightweight and one-piece construction, which means they can be handled on site without any heavy equipment or large excavators or machines. That makes a big difference when you're working in tight access areas or around trenches. So another key feature of these septic tanks is the internal baffle design, which runs right down through here in this slot. It's because of this baffle that it's an all-in-one solution, so you don't need two tanks for the septic system. This tank contains the primary and the secondary treatment system. These are designed for easy transport. They fit on a small ute or a trailer, generally equipment that plumbers would already have to hand without hiring or using bigger equipment. These septic tanks come with fixed inlet and outlet tees, meaning that they are a plug-and-play solution. Once they're dropped on site, you're ready to plumb straight into them once it's installed. These septic tanks come with a 15-year warranty, which matches the design life of these tanks. They also have a stackable design, which makes transport and storage more efficient if you wish to keep multiple in your yard. These tanks are manufactured right here in Australia by an Australian-owned certified company, manufactured out of UV stabilised material using a rotor-moulded one-piece construction. These tanks have no joins or seams, fewer weak points, which lowers the risk of long-term leaks. These tanks are certified to Australian standard AS NZS 1546.1 for on-site wastewater treatment and approved by all relevant health departments for use in Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, Victoria and Queensland. So compliance is covered when specifying or installing them. Coerco has supplied thousands of these tanks over many years, so it's a proven design that plumbers already trust in real-world conditions. They come with an anti-flotation ring and structural ribbing built for ground stability. Coerco effluent disposal systems are also available.